me fair one, come now unto me. Could you fancy a poor sailor lad who had just come from sea? You were ragged love and your dirty love and your clothes smell much of tar. So be gone, you saucy sailor lad, so be gone, you Jack Tar. And dirty love and me clothes smell much of tar. I have silver in me pocket, love, and of gold in great store. And when she heard him say so, on a bended knee she fell. I will marry my dear Henry, for I love the sailor lad so well. Foolish love, do you think that I am mad for to wed with a poor country girl?